Welcome back, everybody. On this episode, we're going to make barbecue glazed pecan tacos with smashed or mashed
avocado slaw.
avocado slaw. Watch it. It doesn't matter if it's mashed or smashed. It's going to be good. All right, here we are back, Lauren. We're ready to make our barbecue pecan tacos with smashed or mashed?
Smashed avocado slaw.
Yes. So here's what we're going to do. The same guy that made us our giant, probably seen giant burritos that we've done. He also made me like these little vegan, they're like little corn, little street tacos.
Yeah.
So we're going to just put a little vegan sour cream on the bottom of them like this. And we're going to a little bit on the bottom like that. Lauren's not a huge fan of cilantro. I love cilantro. So I'm going to actually use cilantro on mine. But we're going to use the pecans, these amazing, look at those, amazing
so cool.
Glazed barbecue pecans for kind of our meat. And if you don't like pecans, you could use walnuts. If you have a nut allergy, obviously this isn't going to work for you.
Yeah.
Have you ever had a pecan taco?
No, I haven't.
You have to watch this video. This is going to be, I feel like this is like going to be a favorite. You want to do
I
the
think
honors
so too.
of the coleslaw?
Yes, we've got our slaw here.
Again, this slaw is, we made it out of there's some pineapple, crushed pineapple, there's some cilantro in it, there's some carrots, there's some mashed avocado, and then I'm going to put some cilantro on mine here, and then we're going to drizzle it with a little Palisade Peach, Fool's Gold Palisade Peach barbecue sauce. Not much, just a little dabble like that. Look at those. Those just look, oh, phenomenal.
So good.
Okay. And there it is. There's our dish. All right, Lauren. First ever glazed, here, cheers.
Cheers.
Glazed pecan
Oh
slaw
my goodness.
tacos. Mmm.
Oh my god. Good. It's like citrusy, cilantro-y, barbecue.
I've never had anything quite like that.
That's really
That's
cool.
so delicious. Amazing. Like, this is a great dish. This could be done a million different ways. Guys, try this dish. Amazing. Take care.